Why am I forgetting what we do? Here we go. Tesla Cyberquad. Have you heard of this?
Where is it? Where is it? I don't need to read the whole thing, okay?
Okay. All right. Hello. What's going on? Welcome back to the Darkroom Podcast, episode 31.
Ooh, 3-1.
3-1.
Oh, yeah.
Why am I forgetting what we do?
Your name's Adam.
My name is Adam.
Yeah.
What is your name?
My name's Nick. This is what happens when we film this late.
Yeah.
How late is it? It's not even that late. It's 10 o'clock.
It's late for me.
It's much later than we normally film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've had a long week.
Yeah.
So,
Right.
yeah.
Also, I'm just noticing that this might be the third week in a row that I've worn this shirt for the podcast.
Yeah.
I can't remember if I did last week, but I definitely did twice, two weeks in a row.
Uh-huh.
And then I might have not last week. And then it's starting to look like this is the only shirt I own, but I swear it's not. I put it on, okay? Because I'm like, I'm going to wear the shirt Saturday instead because we don't film Saturdays. But oh, wait, I forgot we're filming Saturday this week.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I purposefully choose my shirts. I sometimes actually double check our videos to make sure I don't wear the same one.
Yeah, I don't know. I like this shirt, you know?
Yeah. I mean, it's very nice.
Thank you.
All right. How was your week?
It was good. It was good. I don't even know what I did, man. This the whole filming at 10 o'clock is not it.
Yeah.
We hung out today.
Yeah.
Obviously, you knew that, so I'm kind of taking what you have, some of what you have to say.
Yeah.
Holy. But it was good, chill week. That's about it. I don't even know what I did, but how was your week?
Same. No, but school is getting all stressful. We got exams coming up in 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks at this point.
Oh God,
I got 3 exams, 1 per day in a row. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Other than that, that's it. I just can't wait for it to be over and I can just relax.
Yeah, I feel that. The good relaxing times. Christmas season.
Yeah, that's what it is.
I can't talk.
It is Christmas season.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, do you wanna go first? Do you want me to go first?
Yeah, I can start it off.
Okay.
All right. Here we go. Tesla Cyberquad. Have you heard of this?
I actually saw Tesla posting pictures of this on their Instagram.
The
kids ones?
Yeah, this is the kids one.
Yeah.
So it recently went on sale. I'm pretty sure it was this week. And sold out in 24 hours.
That's pretty fast.
Yeah. It's $1,900.
How much is a normal four-wheeler ATV?
Close to that.
Okay.
It's got to be close to that. Motorcycles are like 6,000. So I feel like they're a little more. But then again, this is it's just a battery, whereas you get an actual engine in a real ATV. But still,
I don't know. Should I Google it really quick?
Sure.
ATV price.
I mean,
$892.
What?
Bunch of these.
800.
That's what it says.
Whoa. Okay.
Let me go into the shopping section. Okay, 1,500.
There you go. Oh, wait, but that's still cheaper than
2,400. 1,700.
Wow.
So it's kind of just varying.
Wow.
Looks like.
Yeah. Okay. So you might be able to get, depending on where you're located, you might be able to get a regular ATV for the price of this one.
Yeah.
That's for kids.
Yeah. But that one just looks cool.
It does look cool. And in those videos, they did have a bigger one for adults. So I'm like, where's that one?
And how much is that one?
Yeah.
Where is it? Where is it? How fast is it?
So the battery, it can go 15 miles or 24 kilometers.
Okay.
And up to 10 miles per hour, which is 16 kilometers per hour. It's not like that fast.
Not really.
But still, like for kids, that's good enough.
Okay, that's fair. I guess that's fair.
It's at 8 plus.
But come on, this is Elon we're talking about. This should be able to go like way faster.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's got a full steel frame, cushioned seat, adjustable rear suspension. That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Full LED light bars.
Yeah.
I think there's one on the back too.
Yeah. It definitely has the Cybertruck vibe.
Yes.
Like you just put that in your Cybertruck and then pull up and then you roll out in that. Autobots roll out. You just have people sitting on them in your trunk while you're driving the Cybertruck.
Oh god.
And it just pops open, they drive right off, just boom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That could the Cybertruck could be like your war vehicle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's exactly like
It's like a bunker.
Yeah.
You're just hidden in the middle. There's bulletproof glass, which we don't know yet if that's true.
Yes.
Supposedly bulletproof glass.
Right.
The whole thing's made out of metal, which it can also supposedly take a beating. Mm-hmm. You just like stop, pull up. All your bodyguards walk out. One gets on the ATV. Yeah.
Like for a truck too, for like the size of it. Mm-hmm. Because it's a big truck.
Yeah. Actually, if we're speaking about the Cybertruck, I heard on the news, this wasn't supposed to be a topic, but we're on the topic already.
Yeah.
There was supposed to be a tri-motor, a dual motor, and a single motor model. There's no more single model or single motor model. That's what I've heard. And instead, they're making a quad motor one. And apparently, from a tweet from Elon Musk, he said it's going to be able to crab steer. So, like, all four wheels can turn.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, parallel parking.
Yeah.
Would be real easy.
Easy peasy. Yeah. So,
Could you use that on a driving test? Would they allow that?
They might need to start adding that, but not all cars are going to do it. It's mainly like the off-roaders can do it.
Because like you're not allowed to use a reverse camera.
Right.
So I feel like they probably would be like, no. But you're like, what? Come on.
But I wonder how much like drive tests are going to change. Because so many cars can like drive themselves now, and they're getting better and better.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And so many cars can like park by themselves now. Like you don't even have to do anything.
Also, if you're like in a Tesla and you're doing a drive test, what if the person just like doesn't know anything and you put it into like autopilot?
Yeah.
And it just drives itself and they don't even know.
Just double click the thing, it goes doo-doo, and that's it.
What was that sound? Oh. What are you talking about?
What sound? I didn't hear one.
Oh, I don't know if that would go over well.
And then you freak them out, like you're just like this on the highway, and then it goes to take a lane
sound?
change.
What are you talking about, bro? What?
You pull out your phone.
Hold on, I gotta send a text real quick.
Instant fail.
Don't do that.
Yeah, please.
Advice with Nick. Again,
it's back.
It's back.
Always back.
I think we need to make a what's it called? I learned this from the Office Ladies podcast. A sting where they put in like like a quick little like a little sound, and I guess we could do a video too, where it'd be like advice with Nick. Ding, like
hell yeah, yeah.
I should make that.
We gotta
maybe
do
I'll
that.
make that advice with Nick.
All right, that's it with this.
Anyway, okay, cool.
Super short topic.
Cool. I don't know how long mine's gonna be, but we'll see. I'm gonna bring this over so I can read. So you don't have to hear me say it. I'm blind again. So interesting article. Honestly, classic Nick. I didn't read the whole thing. I don't need to read the whole thing. Okay.
Okay.
Titled, "You no longer need photography skills to be a good photographer."
Okay.
Okay. You could probably guess what it's talking about. Like, it's basically just talking about all the advancements in camera gear.
Mm-hmm.
For example, here, stabilization, autofocus is like freaking perfect. Can capture animals now, depending on what camera you have. Like super fast shutter speeds and like 8K, 4K.
Mm-hmm.
All that stuff. I mean, obviously these are more higher end cameras, but like, I don't know. I don't think I agree with that. Like, I think it's a lot easier to take a good photo now.
Yes.
I don't think that makes you a good photographer. Or well, yeah, because this is saying, right, you no longer need photography skills to be a good photographer. But
right.
I think that's not necessarily the case. Just because you can take a photo that has, that nice bokeh,
yeah,
or whatever, like it's something's frozen in action,
mm-hmm.
that doesn't automatically make it a good photo or make you a good photographer.
Yeah, yeah.
And the other thing it's saying too is even with editing, especially if we look at something like, what's it, AI Luminar, whatever.
Luminar AI,
yeah, that one. Because that's just like, does everything for you, doesn't it?
All by
pretty
itself.
much. Yeah. And that also is very helpful
mm-hmm.
in making your photos look better.
Mm-hmm.
But again, like having that like eye for composition and like all that kind of stuff, I don't know. I feel like you need that to be a good photographer.
Yeah. Like I think a lot of people have the composition kind of naturally,
mm-hmm.
like especially with the rule of thirds stuff that we did in school.
Yeah.
That's kind of natural. Like you kind of naturally want to put it in those quadrants, but using it smartly.
Yeah.
And in the right ways. And that's even just one part of it. Like talk about the lighting.
I was thinking that too.
Nobody, just amateurs don't know anything about proper lighting.
No.
And even if they want to use a light, like that's just a light. That's one light. And yeah, like if you're an amateur, 100%, if you want to keep going into photography, even just get one light and it'll change everything.
Yeah.
If you play around with the angles, put a softbox, or don't put a softbox.
Yeah.
Like play around with it. And like, that's a huge upgrade
mm-hmm.
from nothing.
Oh, absolutely. Even using like, whether that's like little flashes or even reflectors.
Yeah.
And
even
diffusers.
That. Yeah.
Especially if you're shooting like in the sun.
Yeah.
Which I haven't done a lot of recently, so I haven't really used that. But like, it's such a huge difference.
Yeah.
You want some nice soft lighting instead of like that disgusting harsh noon sunlight.
Yeah.
And it's just like, you don't know these things, like just because you have good gear, that doesn't mean you know how to do those things. And you can definitely still take a bad photo with good gear.
Yeah.
Like the photo itself could be good, but the lighting, mm-hmm. the composition, if those things aren't good, then the photo's not really good.
Yeah.
Like it might be super sharp, like beautiful, but that doesn't matter. That's not the only thing that matters, at least. And
like the Luminar AI and Photoshop, Photoshop's getting more and more AI stuff. Like that can, I don't even want to say like it's not going to be able to do that. Like if you shoot like something with a softbox, there's no way you can make it specular with any way using AI.
I mean, okay, technically you could maybe have more luck trying to do that than the other way around. Maybe not, actually, because I was gonna say you could like kind of like, if you were to like make shadows yourself, on top of the shadows already created, then you like could sort of maybe make like hard edged, but I don't think it would look good.
Yeah, I mean, we'll see where the AI can go.
Yeah.
But for now, like, you need to know your lighting if you want to do like professional stuff, and you can't just tell an AI to do it for you.
Yeah. I mean, also though, to be fair, like, I think there are definitely people who are not necessarily good photographers but have good gear, and you could still make it.
Oh yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
For us, those that go study it and learn all this, take the time to learn all this, also buy the good gear, and then may not do as well, even though realistically they're better.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just crazy with all the technology we have now. Like, it's just becoming easier and easier to take good photos.
Yeah.
Or high quality photos. Yeah. I should say.
Yeah, but like that's the thing that we disagree with the article. It says you don't need photography skills.
Yeah.
Which photography skills isn't just clicking a button on the camera. It's photography encompasses all of that. Like the lighting, the composition, all of that. Mm-hmm. So yeah, I still think you need to know the lighting.
Yeah. Because even looking back on like my older stuff, I'm like, this is horrible. Yeah. Like, I had a decent camera. Like, I mean, it was a Rebel. It's not horrible, not great. Like, there's definitely a lot better. But you can take a good photo with that. If you know what you're doing, you can take a good photo with that. You can take a good photo with your freaking phone, with anything pretty much now. Yeah. Like, pretty much any camera you can get.
For sure.
If you know what you're doing, you can make it look good.
Yeah.
Whereas you don't know what you're doing and have a good camera, it's not the same. Yeah. Like, I look at old photos, some of them like overexposed, like just little things. Even videos, when I look back, I'm like, what is this? This is just little things that now I'm like, I feel like I'm so much better. I've improved so much with like noticing those little things that like I'm a lot happier with my videos right now. And that's not to say that I think I'm like the best now. I think I still could learn a lot, but I don't know. I think I have some photography skill is what I'll say.
Yeah.
And videography. So having good gear just assists in creating good content.
Yeah.
But it's not absolutely necessary, and it's not what makes or breaks good photography.
Yeah.
Boom. Okay. I think we pretty much like covered everything. Honestly, that was all I read in the article about just about camera advancements and then obviously like I think they were talking more about Lightroom, but I don't think there's really anything else that there'd be to add to this. Like, I feel like we covered that pretty good, and just like learn your photography, kids. Yeah. If you want to do it, like, don't just buy the gear. Learn first before you go spend a ton of money on gear.
Or learn and buy the gear. Or the same time. Learn your gear.
That's fair.
Boom.
All right. Well, I think that's it for today. Tonight, I should say.
Yeah, tonight.
It's bedtime. Okay. Thank you for watching, everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe. And most importantly, click that bell.
Do it.
Click it. Oh, yeah. Tune in next week.
See ya.
Love you.